In the ever-evolving world of smartphone technology, where every brand battles to claim the crown for innovation, one company has just taken the spotlight, Vivo. With the launch of the Vivo X300 Pro, the smartphone world is witnessing a true leap in imaging technology. This flagship phone isn't just about power or design. It's about redefining what a mobile camera can do. Partnering once again with Zeiss and integrating Sony's brand new LYT-828 sensor, Vivo has turned the X300 Pro into a handheld photography beast. Today, we'll explore how this smartphone challenges even professional cameras, what makes its HDR and telephoto system so special, and why it might be the best camera phone you'll see in 2025. In a world where smartphone photography continues to push the limits of technology, Vivo has just shaken the entire flagship market with the launch of the Vivo X300 Pro, a device that blends beauty, brains, and breathtaking imaging power in a single polished package. At the heart of this flagship lies a revolutionary Zeiss-engineered triple rear camera system, featuring the all-new 50-megapixel Sony LYT-828 sensor that's taken the photography world by storm. This sensor, a Type 1/1.28-inch powerhouse paired with a Zeiss TF/1.57 lens asterisk and Vivo's signature gimbal-based optical image stabilization, promises a dynamic range of nearly 17 stops, capturing every detail from the deepest shadows to the brightest highlights with precision. Thanks to Sony's Hybrid Frame HDR, HFHDR technology, the LYT-828 combines dual conversion gain with multi-frame HDR capture to deliver imagery that mimics how the human eye perceives the world, balancing light and shadow flawlessly while maintaining extraordinary color accuracy. What makes HFHDR revolutionary is its ability to operate continuously, even during video recording and preview, ensuring that your shots are always HDR-rich without needing manual toggles or mode changes. This means users can now record lifelike footage with unmatched brightness and realism, even under challenging lighting conditions. Complementing the main shooter is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens powered by the Samsung Gen-1 sensor, perfect for expansive landscapes and tight indoor shots, ensuring edge-to-edge sharpness and clarity. But the real showstopper in this camera setup is a 200-megapixel telephoto camera, utilizing Samsung's HBB image sensor, delivering an 85mm equivalent focal length, f/2.7 aperture, and 3.7x optical zoom, allowing users to capture distant subjects with stunning precision and natural detail. What makes this telephoto lens even more exciting is its compatibility with Vivo's innovative telephoto extender attachment, a specialized add-on that works alongside a mounting case and dedicated grip to push the zoom range up to an astonishing 1,600 millimeters, equivalent using AI-enhanced digital zoom. This turns the X300 Pro into a genuine hybrid between a smartphone and a professional-grade camera system, a dream for mobile photographers who crave range, control, and flexibility. When combined with Vivo's intelligent image processing and Zeiss's calibration expertise, the X300 Pro's camera system achieves a level of natural color science that feels like a true DSLR rival, especially with its ability to handle intricate textures, skin tones, and motion scenes with ease. But the Vivo X300 Pro isn't just about cameras. It's a full-fledged flagship. It's not just a smartphone camera. It's a handheld optical marvel. Beyond its cameras and display, the Vivo X300 Pro's battery efficiency, build quality, and design refinement elevate it to flagship status. Its ergonomic design, coupled with curved edges and premium finishing, ensures a luxurious in-hand feel. Even the user interface contributes to that premium experience, offering fluid transitions and minimalist aesthetics. Vivo has gone above and beyond to make sure the X300 Pro delivers on every front. From imaging excellence to performance efficiency, from sleek design to intelligent user experience. The combination of Sony's LYT-828, Zeiss Engineering, and MediaTek Dimensity 9500 sets a new standard for what smartphone photography and performance can achieve together in harmony. This device proves that Vivo isn't just playing catch-up. It's leading the charge in innovation. And if global availability rolls out soon, this could easily become one of the most talked about Android flagships of the year. So, whether you're a mobile photography enthusiast, a content creator, or just someone looking for a truly capable all-around smartphone, the Vivo X300 Pro is a device you should absolutely keep an eye on. With its blend of cutting-edge hardware, Zeiss-level optics, and Sony's most advanced image sensor, this phone might just redefine what smartphone imaging looks like in 2025 and beyond. And as always, for more deep dives into the latest innovations in flagship tech that are shaping our digital world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for future technology. If you're serious about smartphone photography and want professional-grade imaging in your pocket, the Vivo X300 Pro is a device to beat in 2025. Stay tuned to TechVerse for more detailed comparisons, real-world tests, and in-depth reviews of this revolutionary flagship.